that I won't see. Love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come and I'll do what's right. Just give me till then to give up this fight. And I will give up this fight. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power, but you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't.
Thank you. Are you all over here doing well? You're doing good. You're all right. You have a what for me? Oh, you have a good view. Oh, right. Yeah. Right. I've been walking a lot in New York, so it's extra bubbly. And you guys are doing good over here. Hello. Ah. Yes? Yes? You're very tall. You're very tall, sir. You're like the ideal height that I would want to be, but like, do you find that it's like hard to be that tall sometimes? Really? I'm 6 foot exactly. Are you like 6'4", 6'5", but you get a clear vantage point over everybody. Like you could see like what her hat says over there. She has a very cool Vogue hat. It's like a beanie. Hello. Very cool hat. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't you love Tate McRae, by the way? That's my favorite new artist. She's wonderful. And give a warm round of applause for Grubhub for putting this on in this beautiful venue. This is really... I am from New Jersey. This is a song.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day.
Y'all sing it, I'm sick of it.
I'm only one call away.
I like these lights.
Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love, reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, I know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't be scared. I I just wanna set you free. Come on, come on, come on. You and me can make it anywhere. For now, we could stay here for a while. 'Cause you know, I just wanna see you smile. No matter where you go, no, you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Scream it out. Some chord changes on that. I'm melting. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. I'm gonna keep holding on. Now don't you worry, it won't be long, darling. When you feel like hope is gone, just run into my arms. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Scream it. Superman. It all sounds so good. I'm only one crawl away. I'm only one call away. You all sound so good. Give yourself a round of applause. Man, thanks for backing me up on that. That's really nice. How was what? Yeah, I know. I felt bad. I think they got the right idea to like cut it. You were like, it's fine. We were fine getting smoked out. I hope my jacket smells like smoke. It sometimes does. Can I just say that it is so crazy? I never thought. I wrote this song in 2014, and fun fact, it actually started out as a big dance song because at the time, the biggest records out were like the DJ Got Us Falling in Love Again. There's still great records. That was by Usher and Pitbull and Flo Rida. So we were making this dance record, and it sounded like it sounds so bad on the piano, but like that. It was like that. Like when you go to an EDM festival. We were making one of those, and I was like, this is bad. This is a really bad song. And I was this brand new writer at the time, and I boisterously, is that a word? I went in there and I deleted all the drums, and this was like a big producer, and still is a big producer. And I went and I deleted all the drums, and I deleted all the synths, and I deleted all the vocals that we had just spent 2 hours doing. And he was like, what are you doing? And I was like, no, instead of, it should be, turn to this. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Why'd you have to leave so soon? Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? I'll play it back over and over and hear your last words. I know you're in a better place, but it's always gonna hurt. So carry on. Give me all the strength I need to carry on. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Sing it all out. When I see so let the light guide your way. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. It's been a long day. Sing it for me. Sounds so good. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll when I see you when I see you again.
No particular brand of water. Mike, can I get a little bit less of the roads in my, just a tiny bit, just a teensy little bit, please. These socks are cool, right? I saw these this morning. Get a zoom in on the socks, Grubhub. They're flowers. They have nothing to do with food. I guess you could eat flowers. Okay. So, this is the final song I'm going to play for y'all tonight. You have been an amazing audience. I haven't played a show. Oh, please. I haven't played a show in like 2 years, so pardon me if I'm a little rusty, and I kind of trip over my words a little bit, but I do greatly appreciate all of you being here. And James, I haven't seen you in so long. It's so good to see you. Are you still working at the museum? You still are? That's very cool. See, when we're in New York, you get the back end, egg, and cheese, and you know your fans. You go to the bodega up on 121st, and you get a chopped cheese, which you can get on Grubhub, I'm assuming. Anyway, before I say anything stupid, this song started off as an orchestral piece of music. Blum, 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 and then violins playing. And I, of course, erased all of that, and it turned into, me and Disdain about a relationship that I was in at one point, and the exiting of it. I don't mean to smile about it, but I'm happy I got out of it. And it ended up being one of my biggest songs, and it's because of you guys, so I appreciate that very much.
knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I oh my God. What? That was good. And now I'm all up on what you expect, but you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'll never get it over you. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right here standing face to face, you already know that you won. Oh, I know that just is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Oh, and now I'm all up on you, what you expect, but you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'll never get it over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? What are you doing to me? What are you doing, oh baby? What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? Dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking. Sounds so good. Wow, damn. And now I'm what you expect. You just want attention, you don't want my. Maybe you just say the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'll never get it over you, over you. What are you doing, love? What are you doing? Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'll never get it over you. Thank you all so much for coming out tonight. Give it up for Grubhub for putting this all together. Where Brooklyn at? Thank you all very much. I'll see you soon. Light switch will be out very, very soon, I promise.